This was a sporty display by several squirrels, at least a dozen of them together. You saw them just how they hopped and jumped from one branch to another, from one tree to another. In these group of trees, even in this small confined area. So this was a display of these very lively, very bubbly squirrels. As you saw, they ate wood, and especially that wood which was decaying, which got softer due to decay and wetting in rain. The wood which had soaked a lot of rainwater in this moist season and was decayed due to fungal and bacterial growth. So is views that such a wood is a particular delicacy, a special dish for these squirrels. As you can see them climb up and down the trees, climb from one branch, jump from one to another, very swiftly parading and marshalling and guarding their area of influence, as an army does, sort of an army patrol that these squirrels were in, and suddenly their activity has now halted a bit. It has, the frequency and the number of squirrels visible has also decreased. It always happens. It is like this that they operate. It is their routine operation, and once they are very active, all of them are active, and suddenly slowly they disappear from the view, and perhaps that is their feeding time, during which they are most active. And now they are, as you can see, they have taken refuge on branches, and they are busy resting. Perhaps they have taken their meal now, and they are now quite satisfied and happy. So they are resting on the branches under the shade of the leaves and playing. Also, they are very playful with each other, very aggressive also, very active. So they are playfully running after each other, chasing each other, and all sorts of activities going on. As you can see over here, now see on the branches, these are smaller squirrels perhaps. So one or two are resting, another was disturbing, and the other one who is resting. So these you can see. Now the next description in Awadhi language will follow. भैया ये देखा था हाई गिलहरियन का जो है खेल कलरो इन पेड़ों पर, और एक डलियन पर कैसे कूदा था, कैसी जाती यहाँ गिलहरियन के इक्वल ऐसे थोड़ी देर बहुत तेज रही, एक्टिव रही, उसके बाद ही धीरे धीरे से अपन जब भोजन वोजन कर चुका थी तो संतुष्ट हो के अपन आराम करे लगा थी. तो ये अब आराम के जो है प्रक्रिया अब शुरू है संभवतः. तो अब ये विश्राम करे के स्थिति में लगभग आए पहुंच गए हैं. कईयों गिलहरियन रही, कम से कम 1 दर्जन हुई हैं और अधिक हो सकती, लेकिन 1 दर्जन तो कम से कम होवे करी. अब देखा ही कैसे पेड़ों पर आराम कराते हैं, कहीं भीती पे और कहूँ छते पे, बगल वाली छत पर ऐसे देखा था ही ये पे डलियन पे एक गुलाब का देख पड़ा था. आशा है आपके प्राकृतिक जीव के जो ઘટનાક્રમ આવ્યા એવું નીક લાગ હોય. ધન્યવાદ, નમસ્કાર.